Hello everyone, it's Divine Couture and I'm here in lovely San Francisco talking to you all about commercial real estate. My name is DK by the Bay and I run the channel DK by the Bay and learn commercial real estate. Today we are on a property tour and you're going to be coming with me through San Francisco as we talk and share more about commercial real estate. I will tell you exactly where I am. I'm at 111 New Montgomery and this is one of the buildings that we have. And these are the gentlemen that are here to tour the space. And I'll be sharing with you a little bit more about what the inside of the space looks like and more about what commercial agents do. I'm here in the heart of San Francisco and we're going to be watching and listening more on this, okay? Here we go.
Last tenant was here for about 30 years. Oh, really? Yeah, maybe even 35. They predated the old owner. They just retired. That's why the closed about 35 years. There's like a little stair that's right back in the middle behind these glasses. It's just for storage. I had an office, but we don't include that in this book.
So one of the things that we do is talk about the buildings and we give the clients all the information regarding the building so it orders them for them to be able to make good decisions, right? So this is 111 New Montgomery and it's office upstairs and then retail on the bottom. And really interesting is that the building owner has owned this building. It's been in her family for a long time. And she's actually finally thinking about selling it. And it's mainly because of the pandemic. And I'll show you some of the retail stores that are located inside the space already. Thanks for joining and coming on. So here's all boarded up. This place is all boarded up, but before it used to be a super duper, and now this space right here is called the Bird. And the people who own this concept also own the concept of the super duper, but during the pandemic, they closed down. Super Duper is a formula retail location. They've got several locations here around the city, so it's really interesting the way they've chosen to do things. So the Bird is really a great place, and then so is Super Duper, and we hope that they'll be bringing maybe their concept of vegan restaurant. They've got a really great vegan restaurant downtown, so I'm hoping that they bring that concept here. So these guys are a group and they've purchased buildings all around the city. So here it is. And this is what billionaires in San Francisco look like. This is how people with money in the city dress. You know, right here. Now, they can afford to buy this whole building, but do you see them in Gucci? Do you see them in Louis Vuitton? No. They are in Patagonia and Tom's, and that's the way they like it. So, yeah, pretty interesting. I'm going to go show you guys the space of what it looks like now, since this is what you're here for, right? Commercial real estate. So, like I mentioned before, this location was super duper. This was a burger concept, and the burgers here are really good. And this is just a retail space. They've already have it built out. So it's going to be very interesting to see what will go in here next. They're just getting out of their lease. They have about 1 more month to decide if they're actually going to stay here or if they're going to give up the location. And we're going to either sell the building or if the owner decides to just continue to lease it out. Now, all of this is boarded up, but before that you could see, and this is where the countertops are right here. Well, we know a lot of you are looking for spaces for cafes and restaurants for your tenants. And here's, you can get a little bit of a behind the scenes look on what a commercial kitchen space that is allowed for cooking would look like, right? You've got your storage there. It's kind of dark there, but you've got your storage and your freezer area there. where people will come in to take a seat. That's pretty nice too. These little concept things are really nice. And then you've got your restrooms here. Seeing if I can turn on the lights, but I can't. So that's there. And I'm going to go out of here so Michael can come in here and show these guys what next. And you guys are going to be with me today because I'm going to be touring all of San Francisco. There we go. And we'll listen to more of their little tour here.
One thing down there, another thing over here. Average school gets back up. I have a bunch of them inside. And the next thing we come up to get you, I'll put you into the space. I mean, like I said, we were just.
So we're going to finish up this tour. We're going to go upstairs. Once again, this is Divine Couture, and I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit more about commercial real estate and what commercial real estate agents do. I love commercial real estate, and I hope you do too. And if you have any questions, connect with me. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Facebook, I'm around the world talking about learn commercial real estate and Divine Couture. Cheers. There they go in. And don't stop. It really does not stop. I'll sign up for now, but I'll be back.